I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware and confirming compatibility. First, make sure your Google TV device supports USB storage or OTG. This matters because some models block external media. Once done, format the USB drive to exFAT or FAT32 on your computer so files read reliably. Then physically connect the drive using the correct USB-A or USB-C cable or adapter. You should feel a firm click. If the port is recessed, use a short, sturdy cable to avoid strain and intermittent connections. Once connected, navigate to the Files or File Manager app on your Google TV. This app lets you browse external drives. When the prompt appears, grant storage permission so the system can index and access files. Without permission, apps won't read the drive. Now locate your folders and use on-screen options to play media, copy items to internal storage, or launch compatible apps directly from the USB. Make sure to use the apps copy/move commands rather than relying on automatic transfers to avoid accidental data loss. To finish, always unmount or eject the USB in Settings or the Files app. Doing so prevents file corruption. If the drive isn't detected, make sure to test a different cable or port and try reformatting to exFAT on a computer. Sometimes partition schemes confuse Google TV. Also consider power. Large external HDDs often need a powered USB hub or external power supply, since the TV's port may not provide enough current. If problems persist, reboot the device and reconnect after a minute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.